Again, we are here at Giga Texas. This is where, all of the magic happens. The Cybertruck, the Cybercab, the Model Y are all being made here. What's up, everyone? I am at Giga Texas. I have it right behind me. We're gonna do a small flyover. I don't have a ton of time, but I wanted to test this out and see what is possible here at Giga Texas. As we know, there's a lot of construction going over. I'm gonna fly over through the main unit just to see what's going on. I will not be, unfortunately, covering a lot of the other spots here. One, our boy Joe, he's actually in Europe finishing the Tesla takeover. And then number two, it's just timing. So I just want to do a short flight here today. I just want to say thank you again to the Tesla team for allowing this to happen. And most importantly, thank you again to you for tuning in today. I got my goggles, the battery kit here, got my controller, and then of course, the A1 back here. You can see it here, right there. And so we're gonna get this bad boy up, and I'm gonna start doing some screen recording as well. Again, we are here at Giga Texas. This is where, all of the magic happens. Where the Cybertruck, the Cybercab, the Model Y are all being made here. This video will drop really, after SpaceX launches today. So huge congrats to the team here. And yeah, we're gonna fly alongside and see, how far we can get. But yeah, this place is huge. I actually just did a drive-by going about 75 to 80 miles an hour. And I can't tell you, it took over 40 seconds to do that. I mean, that's how big this factory is. And so I don't think I have not been seeing any semis or cybercabs, just a bunch of loading and unloading. It took over 40 seconds to go across the whole thing. I might see is that a cybercab here? Yes, it is. I see two cybercabs over here. And then of course, I love seeing the triangles. So I love, what is this, 6, almost 7 Cybertrucks. And then if I go over here, let's just drop this down. Pretty cool nonetheless. But yeah, so saw 2 Cybercabs here. And again, this is just probably like half the actual factory here. Again, it takes over like 40 seconds. So we're gonna go around and see what else we can see over here, obviously. But there's so much happening at this factory, right? What is happening, right? Again, Cybercab production has begun. You're starting to see it literally everywhere. Let's go check out on the other side and see how far we can go. Yeah, so we're gonna get over all those power lines there. So again, this is a lot of parking lots here. So I'm gonna be covering, I don't know if this is necessarily, the north or kind of south side, but so much happening here, right? Again, I mentioned earlier, the Cybercab production is happening as well, along with, the standard range Cybertruck, the $60,000 truck that literally sold out. Gosh, look at all these, just so many employees, contractors as well. I mean, the amount of people that are employed, because for every one job that Tesla has, there's about 10 more that get jobs because of it. Yeah, so only saw about 2 Cybercabs today. May have to come back at another time and try to see if I can get more. But the standard range Cybertruck is rolling out. I do see people actually even taking delivery of it. Yeah, it's cool nonetheless. Yeah, so a lot of construction, so much happening. Wow, this factory is huge. And on the top, as you know, it spells Tesla. So let me know in the comments too, do you think Tesla and SpaceX are gonna merge? I mean, the convergence just seems absolutely wild, right? So yeah, so this is the front. I'm gonna go see if I can get part of Colossus. It is complete, so I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get that. But yeah, what a cool opportunity to be here at Giga Texas to film such an amazing technology advanced factory. And the terafab is gonna be 10 times this, 10 times. I mean, this is just like, you know, you thought this was big. I mean, to know that SpaceX and are gonna have one chip factory all under one roof is crazy. They've announced also too the all of the work that they're gonna be doing with Samsung and Intel. Yeah, all right, so I just wanna see if I can make it out to the flag. I don't know, I'm hoping the signal will hold up. Again, we saw these two cybercabs before. Let's go out a little bit further here. And yeah, so this is the grand entrance, by the way. Wow. Yeah, you can see, you know, those stainless steel beams all the way. You can see the American flag. All right, so we're gonna head back. Looks like weak signal. But yeah, so that was just the grand entrance. Hopefully, you know, we're able to capture that. Yeah, I just wanted to capture the front of this. Super, super cool nonetheless. Yeah, this is Giga Texas, people. Everything, as we know, is bigger here. And then again, here's those cybercabs below. Those don't look like the glossy ones, the ones that are gonna be production. So we'll see either way. So cool. This drone makes it so easy to fly. Looks like a bunch of stuff is going on over there, but yeah. All right, well, there it is. This is the front entrance at Giga Texas. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, huge shout out to Anti-Gravity. This A1 is absolutely amazing, and I'm so excited to be here. I'm gonna go see if I can capture the south side or Colossus one, and let's go.